Assalamualaikum. Hi, hello everyone. How are you? I hope everybody is fine and doing well today. I'm so super good and I just wanted to eat something today. That is the reason of today's video, my God. So, I wanted to eat something special. That is why my Ammu came into the kitchen and she started making a recipe. The same recipe, one more we can use, using the same thing only. You should just keep this potato part in mind because we can use this potato mixture in another recipe also. Anyway, we just took boiled potato, some salt, coriander, chilies, and then cheese, and then mix it all together. That's how we will get our potato mixture ready. This is so super easy and I'm sure you are going to love the result. I loved it and I'm sure so will you. We have to mix our mixture all together so that it's we need to mix all the ingredients together so it's like a mixture. Then put some oil and we gotta fry some sausages. My Ammu has sliced the sausages into thin slices like this, and then she's gonna fry it so that it becomes more yummy. Then we are going to take I have a mini tortilla wrap with me, and then we are using sauce. I'm using sriracha sauce, my Ammu, because we really like the taste and spicy and all. Then spread it all over the tortilla wrap like that, and then we will put our potato mixture half of half, or maybe you can put half, but also you can put 1/4 of the tortilla wrap, or you can just put the half of the tortilla wrap. My Ammu used half of the tortilla wrap. After spreading the potato mixture, we will put our sausages in there, as many or as less you want. My mom put some as she wanted and what we like. Then some cheese, and then we need to close it. Just like this. Press it a little and it will be like this. Then we will fry it in the pan to make it more delicious. You can eat it just like that, but to make it more delicious, we're frying it. My mom first put some butter into the pan and then she's frying all the sides. It's becoming so crispy and so delicious. I loved it so much. It is a great snack, or even you can eat it in the breakfast. It's your choice. It's all-round recipe and so super easy. If you have some sausages and potatoes, and you can even do this with roti and tortilla wraps at home, you can surely, I'll recommend to try out this recipe. It was so delicious and I hope you try it out. I'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye bye, ma salama.